So last night, Matt and I had to go put the food up on the tree so bears don't, come at it. We spent about like a good 15 minutes looking at all these trees to find, throw over the rope and put it up. And this morning we came to get back the food and we found a nice little system that was already made for us. And all we had to do was clip it on and raise it.
It's a little bit feed in its natural habitat. Getting some of that young water dough from the river. Look how cute he is. Look how cute he is. I bet he stumbles at one point. He's nervous now. Oh, called it. There it is. That was a stumble. I knew it.
Finished product. Lemon pepper tuna on the ish. It's bad. Started day 2, hiking. We don't really know where we're going, so. But Matt seems to know. How you doing over there, Jeremy and Scott?
Doing good.
That seems to be Scott's go-to response for every time I point the camera at him. We're hoping by the end of this trip he'll know how to speak. Trying to figure out where to go. Come by water. You know where to go? Hey, other humans. Hello.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. We had a little drone accident. It decided to fly right into the falls.
Here they go. Trying to get the drone. Naveed lost. He claims it took off by itself, but I think otherwise. Look at that waterfall there. Moral of the story is, don't go chasing waterfalls.
So, crashed my drone. Actually, I didn't crash my drone. The thing itself crashed itself because I wasn't even touching anything on the device and it just went into the falls. But Matt recovered it. Thank you, Matt, for your genius loopy skills on the stick and fishing it out.
It's all from watching Casey Neistat videos. That's the only way I do it.
I'm gonna go sit on that log. This scenic view.
It's not worth it. It probably will be JK.
Probably not worth it. We'll see. Well, it's like half a mile. I'd say. I don't know where. Hours in the car. That's not counting driving to Fayetteville. We made it. My drone isn't working, so I'll update you guys when that works again. If you're walking past this thing, there's a hole here. Go. You got a flashlight? BTR Ohio. Dad! Whoa! On the way down.
Running meters.
Mile jog, mile what?